4 to 5 cups of water. 1 stalk scallion. Add the chicken feet. 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Bring to a boil. Parboil for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove the chicken feet from the pan. Season with salt and pepper. Heat the cooking oil. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add the chicken feet. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1/2 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons calamansi extract or lemon juice. 1/2 cup of banana ketchup or tomato catsup. Pour in 2 cups Sprite. Add 2 cups hot water. Add more later if needed. Two-star anise. Thai chili pepper. Adjust to taste. Note, I added 1 chicken cube seasoning. Simmer over low heat until chicken feet becomes tender. Add salt and pepper if needed. Continue cooking until sauce thickens. Done. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.